Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Docs. What I want to cover in this module is how you can quickly create a sentence with a shortcut, or a paragraph with a shortcut, or just a word with a shortcut. So what I want to be able to do is have my company name come onto the screen by me just typing 3 letters like this. So if I just type the trigger for it, press my space bar, it drops in that company name. So I'll just copy that. So I've got it in the copy and then get rid of it. Now how you do that is this. You need to go to the Tools menu and then down to where it says Preferences. And then these tick boxes are already on. You can tick these on or off anyhow. This is nothing to do with what I'm doing. Where you need to go is Substitutions. And you can see that there are already some there. So basically if you type a C in brackets like that, it's going to do the copyright symbol. Likewise with the R, it's going to do the restricted, TM, trademark, etc., etc. And these are all pre-loaded. But you can also add your own, and I've done that at the bottom there. I've added that. So I'll just add another one so you can see how it works. I'll call it test. And then I'll type in what I want to appear under test. I'm going to put the following screen will be displayed. So I want that sentence to come in every time I type test. OK to that. Now let's see if it works. Type test. Press the space bar. The following screen will be displayed, but it's coming in lowercase there. Now if I do that again, because that's coming all in lowercase, if I just press enter and type capital T, test, and then do the space bar, it does put the capital letter at the beginning, like so. Now, that's the first one I've done. You can also use it for typos that you generally do. So, for example, I quite often type this, Bradford, instead of Bradford. Now, I want that to be corrected. So if I go back into Tools, Preferences, Substitutions, so I type in the incorrect spelling, I'll do it with a capital letter, Bradford, to replace that with Bradford, like so. I click OK, and then now if I type that again incorrectly, Bradford space, it corrects it. Now this little line that you've got underneath that, it gives you the options to undo the correction. So it's telling it's done a correction. You've got the option to undo that if you didn't want it to do that correction. So you can add a few other ones. Another one I tend to do is because I try and type too fast sometimes. Instead of select, I just miss out the first E. So I'll just add that one last go. So Tools, Preferences, Substitutions. So this is what I type. S, miss out the E, select. So that's the incorrect one. Replace that with the correct one. Select like that. OK. Let's type it wrong. Space, and then it corrects it and gives you the option to fix it if you don't want it corrected. So that's all I want to talk about in this little session, how you can use the Tools menu and Preferences to add substitutions in your documents. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.